Hi, everybody, and welcome to Printmaking as we start to learn to mix colors a little bit more. So students recently have been working with printmaking, relief printmaking, in which we've had a piece of almost like a rubber stamp material. We designed our image based on the classical elements, earth, wind, fire, and air. And what we'd like to do today, I'm just going to show you a little bit more about color mixing. So I'm going to take my sheets because I don't want to get them dirty. Remember last time we did the ink and the print side. So I'm going to put my ink and the tray and my brayer off to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and start to mix some colors. I picked just a few for you here. I picked the hot pink fuchsia. I picked the yellow, which I'll open up in a second, and then the white. Okay, so let's even just start. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. And since we've had at least one session to kind of figure out what it's going to look like, we'll just open this up the really fun way with the scissors. Okay, there we go. Just need a little opening for the ink. So did you know they package these really, really well? Look at that. Yum. This is not queso. Okay, there we go. All right, and I'll just set that off to the side. We're good. Okay. And I'm just cleaning off my hands because remember, smudges in the border, not a good thing as we do printmaking. Okay, so most of us started with the primary colors, red, yellow, blue last time. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna start again with one of the primary colors, okay? So each table will get at least one, but we started to learn how to do that ombre effect. And I'm gonna put a little bit of white. Notice I'm trying to be a little bit cautious with the amount of ink. Now, this isn't paint, it's actually called ink, block printing ink. Okay, so now that I've got the 3 strips, I taught you the way to go up and down and then side to side. That would mix it entirely as one color, but watch what happens when I just go back and forth. Back and forth. I'm gonna try to even it out as much as I can. And I've got that ombre effect on my brayer. So let's try this with the ink. I'm just going to do one. Oh my gosh, that looks, oh good, I got some of the yellow in there. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, I'm going to move it over to the print side. Now, we've also been talking about color contrast. Contrast is the stark difference between colors. So between these two, I'm definitely going to go with the black. It's a little bit of my bias too, being able to see that high contrast. And I'm going to lightly feel the edges. Remember, don't hit the back because the ink will start to squirt out. But I'm lightly going to do like little massage movement. Oh my gosh! And that looks so good. Now, I probably could have gotten a little bit more ink in here. So I'm still going to keep this. And I have a smudge right there. Gosh darn it. Okay, remember, you're going to put your name and just 2021. That's it. Don't put your class code. Don't worry about it. I'm going to go over to this side. Let me try it one more time. I'm going to go back and forth. I'm going to try to get it as thin as I can. Okay, the ink side, here we go. A nice even amount of ink. So now let's try it. I'm going to move it over to the print side. I'm going to use this blue because I think that still could look really interesting. Okay, just nice little circles to get that paint all on there. Oh my gosh! That's totally a keeper. Oh, now I got a little smudge off here to the side. I'm going to try to get that off. Yay, it came off. I can't believe it. Okay, so these are the things you want to diagnose. Do you have even ink coverage? Do you have no smudges in the border? Is your image clear? If yes, then it's a successful print. Remember, as usual, you're going to put your name in here in the corner and then 2021. All right, so I want you to explore a little bit more today about some of the color blending, color mixing. Remember your color theory. Look at the color wheel, ask questions, add white to make it light to create a tint if you'd like to. Otherwise, let's have some fun.